It's May 27th, 2024. Here's the peony flowers. You can see they have opened. This one is still opening. A stink bug inside. And this one is pretty much completely opened. I'm gonna cut this one for indoor. And here's the results. I'm using a cat wine bottle for this pink peony flower. I can already smell it just from this distance. Some bugs on the petals. And here's another flower that are flowering. These are the California poppy. These are going to attract a lot of bees. So yeah, excited for all the bees to visit the garden this year.